Hi, I'm Sam. Welcome to my channel. I upload drawing tutorials and tip videos including business advice and behind the scenes. And today I wanted to talk about when to know when to start again. When something's not going very well, when something feels like a struggle, when do you push through and when do you just give up and start again? This is the drawing I'm talking about, this rhino. So you can see I've put quite a few hours in. Well, how many do you think? Probably 7, 8, 9, maybe even 10. You can see it's quite detailed here, but I really don't like the way that you can just see that it just doesn't look right to me. It looks too fake in the lines. It actually looks better on camera than it does in real life. So you have to trust me that it doesn't look great. And I don't know if you can see in the nostril here and a couple of the lines, the paper's actually a little bit damaged. I have pressed too hard, I've put too many layers, got a little bit carried away, and there's no turning back from that. There's no way to fix that. So I'm not going to be able to darken that anymore. This horn, you can see that I'm really struggling with it. I don't know what to do. I don't not know where to go. And I think I've just approached it wrong. I think I've approached it in the wrong way and a much more complicated way than it needs to be. So this is why I've made the decision to start again. So here we go. I've sketched it out again. I've actually sketched it out a little bit bigger. So I'm hoping that it will give me a little bit more room with all those creases and folds to be able to get detail in. But the technique that I'm using now this time is that I'm going to use the lightest colour that I can see to lay down a base layer. So when I'm now doing any colour pencil work, I will put a base layer of the luminance, either white or buff titanium. So I'll put a layer of this down, so that gives me the guarantee that I'm going to be able to use the slice tool to scrape back some of the pencil if I want to reveal any detail. It works so much better if you have a base layer of a waxy pencil like a Prismacolor or a luminance pencil. It does work with polychromos, but the line is a lot brighter with a luminance. Just think it's the texture that it creates. And what I've done here is I've actually built up the base layers. I've colour blocked. I've gone in with the lightest colour after my layer of luminance. I've gone in with the polychromos, building up through the warm greys, starting to map in where the shadows are, where the highlights are, and then I've started to just block in where the darkest parts are. I'm not adding any line detail or anything like that. Let me just get my old drawing back again. So you can see I've gone straight in with dark detail, and then I don't know where to go from there. I've tied myself in a bit of a knot and I'm not able to then really work out where I'm going. In this one, you can see, it's funny that I've not started with the eye, I usually do, but I think the horn was giving me so many problems that I just wanted to get stuck in and tackle it in a different way that made me feel better. So I haven't added any of the line detail yet. I'm going to carry on working up through the layers, building up to the darkest colours at the very end, and then I can use a dark sepia or a warm grey 6 to really put in the dark and any lines that are there, and then I can use the slice tool to lift up any highlights. I'm really feeling much better about this drawing now, so I will keep you posted on the progress. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. If you want anything kind of explained a little bit more, then I'd be more than happy to do that. I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe and press the bell notification so that you don't miss future videos. I also have a drawing membership. If you wanted to have a look, I'll put the link in the description for full tutorials and a library of videos that I've got over there. I hope this video has given you encouragement and the confidence to say, actually, this isn't going well, I'm going to start again. It happens to all of us. It happens more than you probably think behind the scenes on social media. We tend to just show our best work or things that are going well, and I think it's important to actually show the other side as well, so that people don't feel alone when things go wrong. And you know that social media is just a highlight reel. It's not real life at all. This is reality, and sometimes, you know, we put lots of hours in, we have to start again. It's never a waste of time, because actually I feel like when you make mistakes, that's when you learn the most. So I can take that into my future drawing, and hopefully I can override those mistakes. I might make new ones, but I will learn with every drawing. So I look forward to seeing you next time, and bye for now.